Bismillah. It's so yummy. So for this recipe, I need these ingredients: couple of bread, salt, paprika, chili flakes, also black pepper. But I just take quarter spoon, 2 egg, 1 cup shredded chicken, and coriander, half a cup cabbage, 2 cloves of garlic, half a cup bell pepper, 2 green chili, and half a cup red onion. Also, I take some breadcrumbs, about 1 cup breadcrumbs, and about half a cup all-purpose flour or chapati flour, and some water in separate pan. So let's begin. So first, just a little bit oil, maybe 2 spoons. Just garlic, about 2 cloves. Saute your garlic. On top of that, I'm gonna add shredded chicken. So I'm gonna add the chili powder, black pepper, and salt. Now I'm gonna add all my vegetables. Give a good mix with the mayo. Roughly about 2-3 spoons, okay? Give a mix again and cook it for good 2 to 3 minutes, okay? Now after 3 minutes, off the flame and keep it aside. And now time to assemble our roll. This, okay, like this. Now this we will dip it in the water like that, and then between your 2 hands squeeze it well, okay? And then take a little bit mixture and make sure assemble it like this and look like that, okay? So now dip it in your egg, then dip it in your flour, dip it in your egg again, and dip it in your breadcrumbs. This is the way how we assemble these rolls, okay? That's it. My rolls are ready. Let's fry them. I heat my oil. Slowly place your rolls. Cook them on each side for 2 to 3 minutes. Now turn the side. Wow, look at that. And now cook that side for 2 to 3 minutes, okay? It depends on your flame. Look at that, guys. So let's dish it out.